Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca. This is a quick mini video for you, just to show you this 2012 Land Rover Range Rover that we've just received. Pretty excited about it. Don't think it'll last very long. It's a gray silver exterior, cream leather interior, seating for 4 doors and a hatch. It has a 5-liter V8 engine that's supercharged, and it's a 4x4. It also has hill descent, navigation, backup camera. It's got a nice tonneau cover to keep items out of sight, as well as a screen to separate that. You also have the ability in the back to bring the glass up independently of the lower tailgate or lift gate. It's really easy to get into this vehicle, and you can take it out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Check back soon. There'll be lots more pictures as well as a full-length video.